Cardano's price seems to be making quite a comeback after crashing violently over the past few weeks. This massive downswing is a common theme across all cryptocurrencies as the bear market rages on. For ADA, a relief rally seems to be incoming. The year now stands on a bad note for Cardano, but right now, hope is about to be restored. A huge rebound has been predicted for the cryptocurrency in 2023, and it's starting to get real. Or is this a way of persuading investors to keep holding the coin? Well, let's get into the video to find out. Be sure to watch until the end. Losses can be distressing to investors, but they also offer a chance for people interested in buying cryptocurrencies to review their financial plan and get into the volatile asset class, if it makes sense to them. Investors should expect that cryptocurrencies will continue to be volatile. Well, what's more? According to Ross and Johnson, the historically risky asset has not been tested in an environment like the current one, where interest rates are set to rise. You should fully expect that crypto will go down further, so only put in what you can afford to lose. If we wake up tomorrow and it goes to zero, you should still be able to pay your rent, Ross said. The cryptocurrency markets, led by Bitcoin, attempted to break out at the end of May. They have since retreated but remained above the lows reached in the mid-May sell-off. ADA followed that pattern, gaining more than 21% in the fourth week of May, then shedding off around 9% in the first few days of June. Is it the perfect time to invest in Cardano? Well, the ADA price has tended to track the pattern of cryptocurrency market trends, rising in the late 2017 and early 2021 rallies, and then shedding value during the broader sell-offs. The exception was when it reached its all-time high, ahead of the Alonzo hard fork, which introduced smart contracts to the blockchain. Developers deployed over 100 smart contracts following the launch, but the chart revealed that the ADA token sold off and failed to participate in the November crypto rally that took its major competitors Bitcoin and Ethereum to fresh heights. In 2022, ADA started at $1.36 and moved to $1.63 on the 18th of January. It slipped to 75 cents in February, largely due to a massive sell-off at the start of the Russian-Ukraine conflict. Recovering to $1.24 level in late March, it could not climb up to the upward trend and fell back to 74 cents by the end of April. The reaction of the crypto market to the collapse of the Terra UST and Luna tokens prompted ADA to drop by an intraday low of 41 cents. ADA rebounded to 68 cents as crypto prices rose, then pulled back to trade from 55 cents to 60 cents at the start of June. Certain altcoins have seen a strong recovery over the last week, with Cardano being the winner among top 50 coins, seeing 28.7% gains, analysts at Arcane Research wrote at the end of May. The short-term outlook for the ADA price looks bearish concerning the technical analysis data compiled by CoinCodex. 16 indicators show bearish signals and 14 bullish signals. The Stochastic Relative Strength Index, or RSI, Average Directional Index, and Whole Moving Average, HMA, oscillators reflected sell signals, while the Volume-Weighted Moving Average showed a buy signal. The Cardano price prediction from CoinCodex indicated that the token should shed 47.5% and reach 34 cents by the 11th of June. If this prediction turned out to be true, what would be left for investors in 2023? Meanwhile, Dr. Shweta, the owner and operator of two KIBC Cardano stake pools, KIBC1 and KIBC2, conducted a Twitter poll where 32% out of 127 respondents believed ADA had a possibility of reaching a new all-time high of $5. There are other predictions, and most of them are directed towards 2023. Cardano could increase in value due to its mass adoption by investors and users. After the analysis of the prices of Cardano in previous years, it is assumed that in 2023, the minimum price of Cardano will be around 85 cents. The maximum price is expected to be $1.01. On average, the trading price might be 87 cents in 2023. So I guess the question is, will your 1000 Cardano ADA be worth it? The predicted exchange rate for Cardano is quite satisfactory, as 2022 has wiped out massive gains. 2023 will be the perfect year to reap a bountiful reward with 1000 Cardano ADA. You're probably wondering how Cardano will attain this height, as there are a few months to end this year, and no improvements have been recorded thus far. The ADA coin price is quite low as of today's recording. It is reported to be at 48 cents. Is the 2023 prediction a way of persuading investors not to sell the coin? Well, there is no denying that Cardano has been through many difficult times, from reaching its highest peak of $3.16 to currently being worth less than what it was back then. The coin is closer than ever to an inevitable decline into oblivion. Last year, ADA's price entered a symmetrical triangle on the charts and experienced an extended period of stability. However, by mid-October, with the lower support line broken, the cryptocurrency began its continued decline to new lows for this year. The coin ended up in a positive channel after its first consolidation, but didn't retain this position. The price quickly descended again and currently remains encapsulated with this structure. Cardano ADA has always been an extremely volatile asset. It gets influenced by Bitcoin's price movements more than any other currency out there. When Cardano gets buy-side momentum, which is bound to happen very soon, the price will rise again and hopefully recover from its extended losses. Cardano became the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, proving to be quite stable. The Cardano price will continue to grow rapidly, and this improvement is projected for 2023. Several factors can explain its consistent price drops and retarded growth this year. The crashing crypto market is one of them, and interruptions from the Fed over the past few months have sponsored this. Looking at the bright side, Cardano has a fixed supply and is not prone to inflation and debasement like fiat currencies. One of the most important features of a cryptocurrency is facilitating smart contracts. Little wonder why Ethereum and Cardano shared this incredible potential. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is also a co-founder of Ethereum, which explains the connection. But what makes smart contracts so special? Well, smart contracts execution happens automatically once certain terms and conditions are met. So there is no need to waste time waiting around or contacting someone manually since everything gets finalized immediately. Unlike other cryptos, Cardano has a hard cap. This provides it with a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is capped at 21 million, and the hard cap for Cardano is 45 billion ADAs, with roughly 31 billion already in circulation. If the supply limits are reached, investors have a theoretical floor underneath the price of the ADA, if the demand and fundamental remains intact. Cryptocurrencies are in high demand and Cardano is one of the most sought after. However, there is always a risk regarding how capital flows to a given market, and one should be careful, especially when volatile cryptocurrencies are involved. Investors should be aware of these risks before getting too excited about their investment potential. But what are your reasons for investing in crypto? Is it on the basis of solid evidence or several attractive and bulky timelines of upcoming upgrades? Generally, one of the foremost reasons to invest in any crypto is upgrades, and without a dedicated development team, coin predictions are prone to doubts. This is a major problem most investors face when pouring capital in meme coins. Fortunately, you don't have to face the same problem with Cardano. Cardano's peer-reviewed approach ensures no vulnerabilities or loopholes before changes go live and affect millions of users. Cardano has a lot going for them, including a focus on peer review, high assurance code, and sustainability. This will give them an edge in 2023 as long as they can deliver what was promised in the roadmap and updates. Hoskinson is leading the change for Cardano. Due to his experience as a chief executive officer of BitShares and Ethereum, he has an understanding of what it takes to launch an ambitious cryptocurrency venture into successful production. There is an application of use case scenarios and not just some theory or pie-in-the-sky thinking for maximum implementation. For a while now, Cardano's price action has been uneventful. Trading in a consolidation pattern is frustrating, and ADA holders are feeling the sting. It is hard to predict what will happen to the Cardano in the coming weeks, but a rebound has been set for 2023. So if you wait it out, the coin will return to solid gains due to Cardano's functionality. This is the long game you should consider when investing in Cardano. Buy 1,000 Cardano ADA now and be among the investors that will enjoy massive gains. According to the predicted exchange rate for 2023, your investment will be worth $1,018 USD. But in the comment section below, let us have your thoughts and opinions about Cardano's rebound in 2023. And as always, be sure to click on the subscribe and bell buttons.